Hi, my name is Charles Gibson. We're going to tell you about the course that we just completed where we got certified. The course actually was industrial maintenance.
I just completed a course in the industrial automation maintenance program.
We learned about ACDC, and we learned more about like programming robots and everything.
It was a great course. The teachers were great. They're hands-on. We learned a lot of different things.
My favorite thing in this program, and I actually have to really say this, was Bill William Hutchinson. He was an outstanding teacher. He took his time. I have always had a problem in school, but not with him. I could understand everything. He broke it down to where I could understand everything that I asked him.
The best thing I like about this program is the hands-on. You get jobs, your emails, so you get to meet a lot of different people, you can network. So it's a fun thing. It's a good experience.
And what I like about it is that I loved all the programs and the people that was here.
It was a great course. I enjoyed it. Man, I can't wait to tell some of my friends and families I just got my certificate. It was like the best. I have some great classmates, great teachers. The best part about it is they embrace all students, no matter your age, your gender, your color.
But I would recommend this to young men like myself, even though it's something good to have under your belt, especially if you want to move out of state, you'll have something, you can get a job that fast.
I would highly recommend this program. I tried to get every young man that I know as far as Detroit, Michigan, to come up here and join this program that they may be able to be successful and be a contribute to the community.
Well, I recommend them to come here for the simple fact that, you know what, this is a good opportunity for them. Especially if you're young or old, it's a good opportunity for you.
From the youngest to the oldest, I would recommend it. Try it, come check it out, because they are some awesome people. I'm telling you, it's nothing like the big university. This is a more personable university that actually cares about you.
I would never change this opportunity up to do anything else but this course again.
My plan now is to move to Columbus, a bigger city, and I actually want to attend Columbus State or County, so I won't have all my eggs in one basket in the trades industry, so I can be well-rounded.
It's a lot of different options that we have. The door is wide open for us. Now we just choose which avenue we want to go.
My plan is to make a career out of it.
Hope that we can get some people to come out here and really get into the program.